Hey everyone, welcome back to Editing Basics. So on this video, I'm going to show you how to add canvas in Picsart. So let's begin. First of all, open your Picsart application. So here in the middle, you can see this plus icon. Tap on this plus icon. Now here on the right top, you can see this search icon. Press on it. Now search canvas. So if you search canvas, you can find multiple canvas that are available here. Some of them are paid version where some are free. So in order to get them, tap on them. So you must even watch an ad to get them. So wait until the ad goes and tap on close. So you will be entered and you get the canvas. So you can edit with them, you can add your photos and completely edit however you like. So this is the way how you add canvas in Picsart. Thank you for watching. I hope this helps you.